Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand video. Guys, today I will talk about the next price target of RNDR, which is you can see here 100% on highest top position, my brother. And of course, breakout is also possible, breakdown is also possible. Very crazy trade, I will tell you, my brother. But if you are a future trader, join my Telegram group. Link is in the description. You will be get daily 10 to 15 signal and with 100% accuracy. If you lose 1 cent, leave my group, my brother. If you follow my strategy also, okay, link is in the description. Join. Crazy trade opportunity. First of all, you can see here, my brother, R&D or breakout and pumps up. So this type of breakout and breakdown we will want. Okay, right now it was on down support, simple like that. If it will do a breakout, I will give you call to take a long position, and of course you will be print money. If it will do a breakdown, definitely I give you call to take a short position, and we will be print money like machine. So this type of quick calls I will give you on Telegram. Okay, but right now I strongly recommend you, if the price was come down from my brother's 12, then definitely you can take a short position. But if the price was pumps up from 14, then you can take a long position. Okay, these are the quick calls, my brother, and I hope after that, if you take position, you will be print money like machine. See you next time, everybody. Hope you enjoy video. Must join the Telegram group. Okay, link is in the description.